Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism. As you can see in this case, our rack is fixed but pinion is rotating as well as it is moving forward. Let's see how to do it. So click on here, toolbox, add in now, in asymmetric, power transmission, gears, and let's bring our rack and pinion. So module is 1, pressure angle is 20. Let's decrease the length to 80. Face width is 10. Click OK and close this. Now bring our spine gear. Make sure that they both have same module else you will face issues. Number of teeth you can increase decrease as per your requirement. In my case 20 is fine. Face width is 10. Click OK and close this. So first thing that task for me is aligning. Align them correctly. So as you can see that I can't move it, the selected component is fixed. Right click, float. Okay, one task is done. Little bit. Now click on here, rotate this. Okay. Click on here, view temporary axis, and I will select this line and this one. Click OK and select this face, select the front plane. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK and select this face. Select the top plane. Click on distance and the distance will be 10 plus 0.54. Okay, not 0.54, this will be 10 plus 10 plus 0.54 into 2. Yeah, this is the correct distance. Click OK. So if I able to rotate it, yeah, this is the correct distance. Now basically what I want that I want it rotate as well as move forward. So how can I do that? That's the important thing. So first I will right click and make it fix, because this one is not going to be moved, but this one is going to be forward backward. So let's move it here first. Now what I will do, okay, uh, let's try to do Solidworks add-in, Solidworks um, motion. Go to the motion study, click on motion analysis. There might be chance it will fail first time. Let's see what I will get. So first thing that I need is contacts, because I'm using physical contacts. So click on contact group, select this one, and the second one select this one. Click OK. Great. Select this one and um, let's add distance. So how much? Let's say it is 360-degree. In how many seconds? 5 seconds. Click OK. Great. So basically what is done is it is going to rotate. So let's see if it is working or not. So click on calculate. Yep, it's working. Now to make it better and slower, smoother, I will increase the distance to 12 seconds and I will go to my rotatory edit feature. Instead of 5, I will make it 12. And I will also increase the FPS to 50 for better results. Click on calculate. So you can see I'm getting better and smoother simulation results. So in that way you can create your rack and pinion animation in SolidWorks. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And some people ask, is there any way to make with mates? Yes, you can make with mates, but I will leave to my audience how to approach this one. This is a quite interesting one. So I want to see how you guys, approaching this. So love to see how you guys will make it. So please make sure to share with me as well. So yeah, that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.